Alright, so here we are. That's the view of Hong Kong from Victoria Peak on Peak Tower. One of the best looking skylines in the world. Looks like it stretches on forever, really. It's also very windy up here. Still a wonderful view. I've never seen a better view, honestly, of a skyline. Alright, so here's the view from Luard Road Lookout here. Also a great view. Wonderful view here. From the mountain itself, Victoria Peak. There's more of the city over here. Great view here. Wonderful view. Okay, we're going down into the city. Here we go. On the tram. It's pretty crowded. Tram here. Going down to the city. Alright, so here we are. This is street level view in the city here. Pedestrian street. Sometimes it's pedestrian street. Looks like a party tonight. A lot going on tonight. Street level here. What it looks like on the ground.
Exciting times. Are you guys gonna
Taxis there. More clubs. Okay, look at the stairs here. The stairs might not be so good for people after they've been drinking, but they're here though. More clubs. Alright, let's see what's up these steps here. So many steps around here. Anyway. Massage place, of course. Alleyway, safe. Everywhere's safe here, though. Alright. Down here. Look at all those steps. I saw the steps going up there. I'm a bit too tired for that right now, though. Sorry.
Good guy.
Yeah. Interesting street here.
This guy's within.
Dark alley. I don't know what's down there, but probably shouldn't go. And here we are. It's Graham Street there. Doesn't look like much going on right now, though.
Bye 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 bye.
Oh, that's a lot going on over there. Let's see what's up over here. Garbage. People just socializing up the street here. Yeah, a lot of people out in the street here. Drinking, having a good time. That's really steep. This is really steep here. Let's go down here and maybe see what's down here. More quiet over here. Not as much going on. It's a small alleyway here, going somewhere. So many alleyways here. And over there too. Alleys everywhere. Alright everybody, we're going to end it here, so thanks for watching. We're going to end it here. Streets around Central, and we came all the way from Peak Tower on Victoria Peak, but thanks for watching, and maybe let me know what did you think of the view from the skyline in the comments. It was really something else, and if you like these videos, don't forget to subscribe. So I'll see everybody for the next one. So see you around.